My name's Tabitha and welcome to the first video on my new YouTube channel. The reason why I created this YouTube channel is because I have been watching a lot of studio vlogs and art vlogs on YouTube for well over a year now, and I was never confident enough to put myself out there myself. I was afraid of what people I know might say, like friends and family, even though they would never probably say it to my face. I was kind of scared of judgment. In recent times, I've just thought about it again, and what other people do looks like so much fun, and I feel like I have some stuff to share with you that can be helpful for you. If you want to open your Etsy shop, or if you would just want to make fun things in your free time, I want to be able to create tutorials to show you what I do behind the scenes, and yeah, just hope that someone finds it useful. My business is called Thalassical Creations, and thalassical means of the color of the sea. Thalassical Creations is about making things for people like me who love the ocean. So I make stationery like stickers or art prints and greetings cards. I also sell earrings and key rings and wall decor. In the next few days I'll just be taking you through some things I'm doing for the Etsy shop. I'm releasing a few new products. Hopefully I got some time to paint as well. I don't want to talk much longer. I hope you enjoy this video. So see you in the next few clips. Welcome to my craft area, my studio space, whatever you want to call it. This is the upstairs area of the house that I live in, and that's where I make all my stuff. It's quite messy right now, so I'm not going to show you just yet what it looks like. I want to organize it a little bit better before I give the full tour. Right now I am brushing out some macrame keychains because I want to list them tomorrow. I made them a while ago. And then just didn't have the time to put them up. So I'm brushing them out. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And then I'll take photos of them tomorrow and list them in my shop. The lighting is the worst right now, but this is what they look like. They look obviously much better in daylight. I have these sort of fish grate triangle ones. I made them with different colors because I think they're quite fun, and people often see them with just one color, so I just wanted to make one with multiple colors. And obviously blues are my favorite. Obviously my shop name is Thalassical Creations, which means colors of the sea, so that's what they are. So we have this one. We have ones with a different pattern. I really like these. And then we also have some with just two colors, and then just some with just one color, because some people just like, you know, a bit of a simpler design, and they can be really nice as well. So I've got this dark blue, I have like a dark teal, I have this sort of olive-ish green, and this light turquoise, which I love as well. So yeah, I played around a bit with the different designs and the different colors, and yeah, I really like the outcome. I also tried out making a shell design, which I'm not sure about. Like, I can recognize it's a seashell, but can others? Can you? So yeah, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna put this up in my shop yet. I haven't decided. But I might try making these in different colors and see how they look. But I personally really like it. I just don't know if it's like recognizable and if I'm the only person who would like this. A while ago I made these ones with shells, and I was so excited about them. So I made these in like singular colors or just one color, and then I had some multicolor ones as well. And I thought they were great. This brushed metal clasp, it's really nice, and for some reason they haven't really sold well. So I think I sold 2 of them in total. One multicolored one and then a teal one, and that's it. And I'm using the other one as my car keyring that I have. So these are still up in my shop if you like them. I really love them. I think the seashell is a really cute feature. But yeah, Maybe people just haven't found them on Etsy yet. Sorry, the lighting is not the best here. The sun is setting and there's not too many windows up here, so you're just gonna have to deal with the reflection of the light. I wanted to show you how I brush out the keychains. So when you make them, you usually have strands like this, and that doesn't look too nice, so I like to brush them out, and I use a pet hairbrush to do that because they have like very fine, soft sort of teeth. So yeah, that's what I do, and now you can watch me brush all of these out. Once they're brushed out, I cut the ends so that they're nice and straight and tidy, and that is it. That's what it looks like at the end. And it's really soft. The keyrings yesterday like I said I would, because life happened, I had other things to do, so I'm doing that today. I'm catching up on everything today. I'm about to take photos of the keyrings and then list them on Etsy, so I thought I'd show you the process, the materials I used to take photos for my products, and then list them on Etsy and see them go live. So here's everything I use. I have a background which literally is just lying on the carpet. It's vinyl that you can just roll up, which is great if you don't have like super aesthetic surfaces to take photos on. So I use this background for all my product photos just so that they're consistent when you see them on the shop. And the great thing is that you can just take them anywhere where there's good lighting in the house, which in my case is often in the bedroom because there are two windows here and I get good light for photos. Then the second thing I have is this board which just sort of makes the daylight bounce off of it. So I put that opposite the window and then it will bounce the light onto the surface here. The back of it has like a diffuser as well. It's a very cheap like cardboard thing. I got it on Amazon once, and then it also has a darker surface, but I usually just use the white. Then of course I have all the keyrings here that I'm gonna lay out and take photos of, and then I also brought some accessories to style the photo. So you know, just to make the product photo a bit less boring, like instead of just having it like this, you put things like themed or whatever, just nice looking things down to just make the photo look a little bit more interesting. So I have this coral that I got years and years and years ago from my great aunt, who found this dead coral when she was snorkeling, and I have some seashells, you know, because my store is mostly ocean themed. And then I also have the cord that I used for the key rings to bring in a pop of color, and I'm not quite sure yet how I'm gonna style everything, but you will see that in a second. And then of course something to take the photos with. So I'm filming on my camera right now, but I actually, to be honest, I just use my phone. Yeah, my phone has a good enough camera. The photos on Etsy don't need to be super high resolution, so I just usually take photos with my camera, edit them on an app, and then upload them. So yeah, let me show you how that looks in a second. Something I forgot to mention is that when you're selling one product with different colors or different variations on Etsy, it's good to take like a photo of all of the available variations and then a photo of each individual product, so that when people make a choice they can have a closer look at what each color or each variation looks like. So I'm gonna have the monocolored ones here and then also the multicolored ones. So I'm gonna take a photo of all of them together for the main product photo, and then one of each so that customers can see a little bit more detail. Okay, so now all the photos are done. I might actually take this opportunity to shoot some footage for a reel for Instagram to introduce the products while I have the light and the accessories here, and after that I'm gonna edit all the photos and then list them on Etsy. So I use an app called Color Story. This is what it looks like on the iPhone. I'm not sure if it also exists for Android, but I'm sure you can find out easily. So I click on the app, that's what it looks like. You can also do your grid planning with it, but that's not what I usually do. So I'm just gonna go to New and then grab one of the photos I took. I'm just gonna start with this one, and it's gonna upload, and as you can see I need to rotate it, so I'm gonna do that now. And because on Etsy I want people to see all the products at once in the thumbnail, I'm not going to crop the image anymore. So I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna go into filters, and I have saved my favorites here, and the filter that I usually use is called Exhale. Oh, it's quite blurry, I'm sorry. So I click on Exhale and it applies all the adjustments for me. As you can see, the background's really bright, the shells look really nice and soft, and then the products really pop out here. That's what I like to do for my photos. I use the same filter for all my product photos, again for consistency, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do with all the photos now. If you would like one of these, or maybe one of these with a shell in it, I'm going to link my shop down below. So just click on that and you'll be taken to my Etsy shop. And as a thank you for watching this video up until this point, I'm going to give you a discount code. I'm gonna put it in the frame right here. And so just when you check out, put in that discount code and you'll get 10% off. days, but I did get an order for a sticker pack and I'm out of stock, so I'm gonna make it right now. So that is all for my first ever studio vlog or week in my life or whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. It's really fun to, you know, explain your processes and share them just like other creators have shared their processes with me. I hope I can do this on a regular basis and also do a few sit-down videos where I explain specific things like things I've learned about Etsy, things I've learned about Procreate, macrame tutorials, or whatever else you want to see. Maybe leave me a comment about what you would like to see on this channel and what you would like to learn about. I can't really believe I'm saying this, but if you like this video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm as a very, very small channel. And if you feel like you want to follow along, then maybe give me a subscribe. It sounds ridiculous saying this, but that's what I guess a YouTube channel has to do. I'm still very self-conscious about this. I don't know what my friends and family are gonna think about this, but I'm having fun doing this, so I think that's the most important part. And yeah, so see you next week. Bye!